Hey everyone, welcome back to Trendly Excel Tips. Today, I'm showing you a super useful function in Excel, the LEN formula, which counts the total number of characters in any ID, even if it has alphabets and numbers mixed together. Let's go. Here I have a list of employee IDs, and they're all different. Some have letters, some have digits, some even have both combined. We want to find out the length of each ID quickly. To count how many characters an ID has, we simply use LEN. Click on the cell where you want the result and type equals len C2, hit enter. And Excel instantly tells you the total number of characters in that ID, letters plus numbers plus symbols, everything included. Now just drag down the formula and Excel will calculate the length of all IDs in one go. This is super helpful when working with employee codes, product IDs, tracking numbers, any data where ID length must match a fixed format. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel tricks.